Hello, I am Editor Than Mai. I will provide you with the latest information of the day. Tariffs are squeezing US manufacturing U.S. Manufacturing continues to shrink. A new report out Tuesday showed the industrial manufacturing sector contracted in August for the sixth consecutive month. The report comes as President Donald Trump's new tariffs ripple through the global economy. The manufacturing sector is very acutely exposed to the direct and indirect effects of tariffs, said economist Noah Joseph. In the new report, one executive at a company that makes computer and electronic products said tariffs continue to wreak havoc on planning and scheduling activities. "We are in a situation of radical uncertainty," said Mario Cordero, the CEO of the Port of Long Beach. He told Scripps News Group earlier this summer that he worried about higher prices for consumers. "Those fears from a manufacturing slowdown remain," says Joseph. "Consumers are definitely going to feel the pinch when it comes to purchasing manufactured goods at the cash register. Those price tags are obviously going to reflect the increases that manufacturers are facing when it comes to importing the goods that are used to make their products, but also in terms of the borrowing cost that they are feeling more generally due to tariffs, as well as inflation, as well as interest rates," Joseph said. According to the latest federal data, the price of manufactured goods was up 1.5% in July from a year ago. Please like and subscribe to wait for the next information. Goodbye and see you again.